Hey, what's up, guys? This is Nelson with Blue Oval Solutions. Decided to put a face to the name now. Wanted to take you guys through a quick diagnostic procedure in order to diagnose a noise. It's kind of a strange noise coming from the transmission. Mostly, what makes it strange is that it is happening while in park, and in neutral is when it's loudest, and goes away when you put it in drive, reverse, foot on the brake, not moving. So, currently have a 4R75E torn down on the bench, and I'll take you through a quick power flow of park. So, this is kind of why it's really important to understand power flow through a transmission, because it'll help you diagnose accurately and quickly and reduce repeat repairs. So, I'll take you through this real quick. Switch this around. All right, here is the transmission in question. So let's imagine I have the vehicle in park, the engine is running, and the torque converter is rotating. The input shaft, because the torque converter is rotating, the turbine is rotating as well. Turbine is rotating the input shaft for the forward cylinder. Now in line here we have several bearings. We have number 2 thrust bearing here. We have the intermediate stub shaft that is rotating the direct cylinder. Which means that we would have this, since the direct cylinder is rotating, this is the number 8 bearing that is rotating against the planet assembly. When we remove the direct cylinder, we'll find that there is another bearing, the number 9 thrust bearing here. As you can see here, since it's in park, the output shaft would not be rotating, it would stay stationary. So we could stop there and assume that the number 9 bearing is the last bearing to be rotating. So if you've been doing this long enough, you know that number 9 and number 8 are always the most suspect bearings in this transmission. Generally, very high failure rate. So, what made these great is that these thrust bearings are easily inspectable. As you can find, number 9 bearing, if you could see here, you'll see pitting throughout these rollers. And that would lead you to believe, well, hey, I think that's where our noise is coming from. I'll show a closer picture of what pitting looks like in this training. So there you have it. Let me refocus here. There you have it. That was pretty quick. It took me approximately about, I would say, probably no more than 20 minutes to get this disassembled and just kind of go through the actual bearings just with a fine-tooth comb, just to make sure, verify everything. So. Alright guys, I know that wasn't a super thorough video, but if you guys have any questions you guys might have, please feel free to reach out, email me, leave a comment, hit like and subscribe. I'm going to try to post a little bit more about my diagnostic process, because I feel like as though that seems to be something that's missing from a lot of the builds and build videos out here. You guys let me know what you guys would like to see more. I come across every variety of Ford transmission, particularly late model stuff, anywhere from the 4Rs, which are getting a little more scarce, to more 6Rs, 6Fs, and lots of 10Rs. So there's some job security in that, so thanks for that. Alright guys, have a great day.